a Nile crocodile. His last square meal was nearly a year ago. He is waiting for something bigger from over the horizon. Finally, the sound they've all been waiting for. After months on the march, the wildebeest are desperate to drink. But experience has taught the adults to be cautious. The water is just too inviting for a calf, unaware of the dangers within. But every wildebeest must take its chances and hope that its reflexes are faster than what many know lurks in the murky waters. Catching a wildebeest is all about timing. Time for the big croc to try a different tactic. The floating log.